Weapons make you win. Shields keeps you from not losing. Hey everybody, I'm going to share with you guys what I learned from Michael Jones, one of the charisma experts in the world, who shared incredible things at Funnel Hacking Live event, and this is my top learnings. See, always remember this. The number one big reasons why most people fail and most people are not able to attract more people is the worst part is people believe that shield is the weapon. Always remember this, shield is different, weapon is different. Weapon is what something which will help you win, right? Shield is all about like a king's, like if you see like the olden days there was a king, they used to have a weapon like a knife and they used to have a shield, right? It's all about charisma, right? Like you have to understand what you do, right? Like what you do matters. Like you have to know the number one thing is pay attention. Like pay attention to what people tell, what they speak, what they communicate. That's the number one most important thing. If you understand what people are speaking, like you will be able to answer them properly. Pay attention, that's the number one thing. Second thing is like build trust. Everybody in the world, it doesn't matter who it is, people like to do business with people whom they like, trust, relate and connect. Do you guys agree or not? Just tell me in the chat. People do business with people whom they like, trust, relate and connect, and that's the most important thing. If you're able to do this thing properly, then the third step is act, right? People take action, and that is how like you will be able to get more results, more clients, like you will be able to impact more people. See, you have to understand who you are, and like you just have to figure out how you can communicate your message well. See, there is like different styles, like charisma test. There was a test which everybody can also write, and you can get started. Like you will be able to understand what is your ability. See, authority style, like example, if you see Gary Vee, like the way of approach of Gary Vee is completely different. Like Russell Brunson, if you see, like he's always a fun, very jovial and very simple, right? Hey everybody, funnel hackers, all the amazing people. Like if you see like Steven Larson, hey what's up beautiful people, like he will be with lot of high energy. Whereas if you see like Sam Owens, he'll be like, hey everybody, Sam Owens coming here. He's like very composed, right? Like if you see like other people like Grant Cardone, he's a different. Like Tony Robbins, if you see, he has the high energy, like the high tonality, right? Like you just have to identify which sector, like how if you communicate, it's going to be the best. And mirror what is working. Just figure out what are you good at and study. Like use emotions, right? It's all about like mirror. Like you just have to identify what are you good at, execute fascinating, identify what your audience want, and communicate like the way how they want, and that's the most important thing. And it's all about you are the face of your brand, and that's the most important thing. Use always energy, charisma, people or else will feel bored. It's all about not just about what you speak or like how you speak. It's all about how well you are able to deliver and how well you are able to impact, how well you are able to use emotions and connect with people. When you connect with people, like you will be able to do amazing things, and that's the most important thing. Whenever you speak, remember that charisma, and that is how like you will be able to do incredible things. And thank you so much everyone for watching. Let me know what was your biggest takeaway, and see you.